Hi, I am here today to give you a quick tutorial on how to collect data for your grade analysis in your PLCs. All of this can be done within Skyward, and it's really quick and easy. So let me try to get you started by, let's just go over the data that we do need to collect. Okay. The information that we're asked to collect in our PLCs for this grade analysis is the percentage of D's, which are D, D plus, and D minus. The percentage of F's, that's F's. The median grade, which is calculated by arranging the scores in numerical order. So we're going to start inside Skyward. All of these can be done by sorting your grades in Skyward first. So after we've sorted them, we need to do some counting. To get the percentage of D's, we're going to count the number of scores total, the number of D's, and then divide the number of D's by the number of scores. Then we multiply it by 100 to get our percentage. You might want to contact somebody in the math department if you need help with percentages. You do the same thing for S. Count the number of scores and the number of F's, and then divide the number of F's by the number of scores, multiply by 100. Okay, so now the median grade is a little bit different. For the median grades, now remember, we already have the grades arranged in order. You can increase or decreasing, it doesn't really matter, but they're sorted. And if we're going to count the number of scores, if I've got 21, okay, then I am going to divide by 2. 21, it's an odd number, right? It's going to give me 10, and then I'm going to round up to 11. So if the number is odd, I'm going to divide by 2, then I'm going to round up, okay? So 10.5 gives me 11, so I'm going to use the score that's at the 11th position as my median score. And so that's what I put into the spreadsheet. If the number is even, so if my number of scores is 20, and I divide by 2, I get 10. In order to get the median, I need to average the scores that are position 10 and position 11. So I add those two scores together and divide by 2, and that gives me my median score if I have an even number. Okay, I'm going to go to Skyward now and just show you how to sort. Okay, so this is pretty simple and straightforward. So if I look here and I see class grade, you just got to find this column in your grade book. It says sort by percentages. So I'm looking at quarter 2. If I want to do semester 1 or quarter 3, quarter 1, I just simply change it from the pull down. Okay. Once I have the quarter that I'm wanting to calculate the scores for, I click on sort by percentage. Okay. Once I have it sorted by percentage, then I can do my calculations like we discussed previously. I can count my number of A's pretty easily. I can count my number of B's pretty easily, C's, D's, and F's. I can see how many scores I've got. In this case, I've got 10. So if I take 10 and I divide it by 2, I get 5. So I'm going to take the 5th and 6th position, average these two grades, and that's going to be my median. Okay? If I had 11 kids in the class, then I would divide by 2. That would give me 5.5. I round up to 6. This would be my median score. Okay? I hope that helps. Let me know if you need any further assistance. Good luck with your grade analysis.